The season is our two nations exploring important issues which have a major impact on our futures. One area of focus is around sustainability and the impact of climate change on our environment at every level, and another is shared heritage. We'll look to the stories and works of our past to help build our future together.
It's been over 3 years since I travelled on the plane, so it's nice to be outside the UK, and we're really looking forward to collaborating with Hanoi Rock City and to exchange projects between our shared heritages and explore the different aspects of both cities.
Our diverse programme showcases the richness of the special relationship between both countries, bringing together accomplished leaders, emerging cultural festivals and educational initiatives. And what's really exciting is that the entire programme from June to December will include more than 100 activities across all of the projects, most of which will take place in Vietnam.
If you want to be able to work more effectively and creatively, I think we need to be able to collaborate. To change some issue or to change a problem, we need to do it together.
People can take part in incredible events. For example, one-of-a-kind music festivals and performances, in-depth English language workshops, hackathons, design and craft showcases, education policy dialogues, development workshops for arts, English language and education professionals, and large-scale interactive exhibitions that will take the whole family from Hanoi to outer space and back again.